is Chris Antwiler. I started coming to Curis Functional Health. I've had back problems for the majority of, really as long as I can remember. I can't remember not having back problems. Since coming here, Dr. Pease has been absolutely phenomenal in care. You're really, you're not just a patient, you're really part of the family. He really cares to make you feel better, really listens to everything, everything that's going wrong, really takes the time to really break down any problems you have and really look into it. And then as you go through the care, I was pretty nervous about chiropractic care and, the idea of having your neck cracked. And he kind of walked through the process and, it was just really calming and reassuring that it was going to work out. And since coming here, I've really seen significant improvement, really just across all aspects of pain. But it's really helped me get back in the gym, really work well, a lot better at work, put in extra hours, and I definitely would recommend coming here to anybody. Yeah, so a typical session at Curis, usually, you come in and he's going to ask you how you're doing. If you came in 3 days ago, he's going to ask you what's improved, what's gotten worse, what's gotten better. Takes notes, writes down kind of where you're at, and then you go straight into the adjustment. Whatever the problem are, you get that adjusted. And what I really like about coming here that I haven't experienced anywhere else is if something's having trouble moving, he actually jumps in and kind of gets in there with a massager or finds some other way to stimulate it so you actually have an improvement in every visit. Then after that, you get brought onto a physical therapy program. So behind us, you start doing some of the exercises to kind of build the strength, just to make sure you're actually developing the muscles that you're trying to fix. So what originally caused the pain, and that's the interesting thing, is I can't relate it to any specific injury. And that was something that Dr. Pease at Curis was a challenge when we first came in is, normally when you go see a chiropractor, you have an injury that you're trying to fix. So my pain was gradual and it kind of onset through years and years and years of some type of negligence, or again, we don't really know what it is. But the idea is that we dug in anyway and kind of root caused, and we tried so many different things and eventually found something that worked, and we found success with it.
And how are you since your care?
So ever since coming here, I'm night and day better than I used to be. I used to have trouble going to the gym. I remember when my daughter was born about 1.5 years ago, the biggest thing I wanted to do was just to be able to hold her in front of me for more than 5 minutes without having to give her to my wife. Simple things like that make a big difference, and I've seen a huge improvement since coming here.